Your Zendesk queue is drowning in solved tickets that just sit there for 4 days. Here's how to cut that down to 24 hours and finally take control of your ticket lifecycle. By default, Zendesk waits 96 hours before closing solved tickets. That means cluttered queues, slower resolution cycles, and compliance headaches you don't need. Before you change anything, know the difference. Solved tickets can still be reopened by customers, but closed tickets are locked. If someone replies to a closed ticket, Zendesk creates a brand new follow-up instead. Zendesk ships with a built-in automation that closes solved tickets after 4 days. It runs roughly every hour and you can't delete it, but you absolutely can edit it. Faster closure makes sense when you handle simple requests, your customers rarely reopen tickets, or you need cleaner reporting and compliance. If that sounds like your team, 24 hours is the sweet spot. Head to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, Business Rules, and finally Automations. Find the one called Close Ticket 4 days after status is set to solved, and click Edit. Change the hours since solved value from 96 to 24. And here's the key part. Make sure the operator is set to greater than, not is. This prevents tickets from slipping through the cracks. Hit Save, then create a test ticket and solve it. After 24 hours, check the ticket events to confirm the automation fired and the status flipped to closed. If you use is24, the hourly check might run at 23.5 hours and then again at 24.5, completely missing your ticket. Greater than 24 catches every ticket that's past the threshold, every single time. A few things to keep in mind. Always use the greater than operator. Add nullifying tags to prevent duplicate runs. Watch your CSAT survey timing, and brief your team before flipping the switch. Time-based rules are rigid. AI-powered tools like eesel AI actually read the conversation and decide intelligently. A simple password reset gets closed fast, while a complex technical issue gets more breathing room. Ready to go beyond basic automations? Try eesel AI free for 7 days, no credit card required, and see how AI handles your ticket lifecycle smarter than any rule ever could.